So in addition to typography and colors, we have the global corner radius settings. As you can see, all of the cards, all of the buttons, all of the images will have these rounded corners by default, and you can change that to whatever you want. So let's say that we want to change the buttons first. So let's open the BTN class. And in the third tab, we have the radius. By default, it's 10. We can increase it to, let's say, 100, for example, to make it completely round like this. Or by typing 0 here, we can make them completely square. And you can see other elements are still rounded. So to change the other elements, let's open the global radius class. And again, by default, it is 10. Let's change it to 28, for example. You can see it will be more rounded. But if we type 0, you can see it will be completely square. And we can go to rules, make sure you go there and check the important. This way, it will override all of the settings and make sure that you have the square corners. So let's say that you want for some elements to have rounded corners. For example, this card, let's say we want it to be rounded corners. Just remove the global radius class from this element and you will see it will have rounded corners like that. But if you add this class back to any element, it will override all of the settings you set otherwise and make everything according to your global radius settings.